Welcome back to our AI in Action Powering Up with Power Automate series. In the last video in this series, I showed you how to create a prompt plugin for Copilot for Microsoft 365. Now I'm going to show you how you can share these prompt plugins with others, and I will also show you how you can distribute them to other environments. Let's go to my desktop and show you how you can do all of this. Here we are in make.powerapps.com. I have selected the solutions option in navigation so that I can show you a new feature that's available in the Power Platform, and that's really handy for this scenario what I'm gonna do. I am gonna change the preferred solution in this environment to make sure that I can use the AI prompt solution for this. And the AI prompt solution is an empty solution that I just created. And this is where I want to save my AI prompt when I create it. And how can I do that? I can just click the Manage button here to change my preferred solution from the Common Data Services default solution to the AI prompt solution. So let's click Manage and then change it to AI prompt and click Apply. What this does, it changes the default solution for you or the preferred solution. So every time I create something right now, it will end up in the AI prompt solution. For now, it's still empty, but we're going to create an AI prompt, and then I will show you that you will see the AI prompt and all its components in the AI prompt solution. So let's go to the AI prompts on the side. And I already pinned this, but if you can't see it, click on More and then Discover All to make sure that you can pin it. Let's select the Create Text with GPT using a prompt. Let's select Create Custom Prompt, and this will show the prompt builder. This is where we can add our prompt. I already have a sample prompt here. And if you want to use these samples, you can go to aka.ms/power-prompt. And I'll also leave that link in the description. This is a block ID generator. So I'm going to copy the prompt here on the page. And I'm going back to the AI prompts. Here I'm going to paste it. And I'm going to change the name. And the name is block ID generator. Next, I need to add the input. So here is a placeholder, but I want to change this to something else. Let's add an input here. Click on Add Input and call this text. Now I can select the placeholder, remove it, and then hit Insert Text. That will add my input to the prompt. Now I want to save my prompt because I'm okay with it. Let's click Save Custom Prompt, and this will start the saving of the prompt and all the other components that are part of the prompt. Now the prompt has been saved, so I can close down the prompt builder. Now I can see that I have a prompt called Block ID Generator. If I want to share that with others, so not keep this only for myself, I can also click on the share icon here, and this enables me to share it with colleagues. So in this case, when I click share, I can enter a name from a colleague. So in this case, I'm going to use April Dunham. When I click on that, it will add the user when I hit the share button. So when I share this, it will be available for April to use as well. So she can use it as a prompt plugin inside of the Copilot for Microsoft 365. Now let's go back to the solution. I'm going to click on Solutions and I'm going to click on AI Prompt. And what I can see now is that there are a whole bunch of components available here. So you can see that there is an AI model, there's a custom API response, an AI plugin operation, and some other options as well. This all has been created by only adding the AI plugin. So that's a really simple way to add this to a solution. You need to make sure when you go back to change the AI prompt preferred solution again to something else when you start working on another project, of course. So, how to do that? You can click on Manage. You can change it back, for instance, to the Common Data Services default solution, or you can pick another and click on Apply. So that changes it again to another solution. For now, I'm going to click on AI prompt, and I think that my solution is already pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this icon here, and I want to export my solution. So let's click the export button here and then hit publish. This usually takes a little time as well. So I'm going to skip through it, and I'm going to speed it up a little and come back when it's done. The publishing has been done, so I'm going to move on and click on next. In the next screen, I can choose a version number and I can select if it's a managed or unmanaged solution. For now, I'm going to leave it like this and I'm going to click export. This will start the export of the AI prompt solution, and this will also take a little while. So I will speed this up and come back when it's ready. Okay, the solution has been exported, and I can click on the download button to download the solution to my local machine. When I do that, I can see that it's downloaded. If I go to another environment, and I already opened one, I have the AI Automation Series test environment for this. I can import the just exported solution from the AI Automation Series environment, and I can import it in the test environment. So let's do that. And we are already here in the solutions. So I'm going to click on Import Solution. Next, I have to select a file. I'm going to click the Browse button, and I'm going to select the downloaded file that just has been downloaded. Click on Open. I'm going to hit Next, and I'm going to hit Import. And this will start the import of this solution. It is a managed solution in this case because I haven't changed anything. So you need to be aware when you do that to select the all or the managed option here. I'm going to select the all option so that I can see all the solutions in the environment. Because if you haven't changed it to managed or all, you will not see the solution when it's imported. The solution has been imported successfully. So now I can click on AI prompt and I can see the components that I just exported and I can see them in this environment as well. So let's test it out and go back and select the AI prompt and see if I have the block ID generator here as well. And you can see that I have one here. I can click on it and I can see that I have the block ID generator here as well. I also have the input, etc. Everything is here, except when I click on share. I shared it with April in the other environment, but here I need to share it again if I want to share it with April or with others. But this is how you can import and export the AI prompts. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the Microsoft Power Platform channel to receive a notification of the next episode in our AI in Action Powering Up with Power Automate series. I hope to see you at the next video. See you then.